This video is brought to you by SPECDTUNING.com. Today we will learn how to install projector headlights for a 2007 and up Chevy Avalanche. Tools recommended for this job are trim pad remover, 1/4 inch drive ratchet, 1/4 inch drive extension, 7mm socket, 10mm socket. We can begin by opening the hood. Under the wheel well, we will notice 2 screws and 2 clips that have to be removed. We can now pull the wheel well out slightly to expose the screw inside that also have to be removed. Right above the front grille, there are also 3 screws that need to be removed. The 3 screws are indicated here with the red arrows. On the outer corner of the headlights, you will notice 1 screw that is hidden beneath the front bumper. There are also an additional 2 screws above the headlights that also need to be removed. At this point, we could gently pull out the headlights, exposing the rear side of the headlights. After the rear side of the headlights are exposed, we can reach in and unplug the headlight harnesses from the headlights in the vehicle. At this point, we can take out all the original headlight harness and signal lights so that we can place them back into the aftermarket projector headlights. If your headlights has halo and or LEDs, please see our halo and LEDs instruction video. We can then place the projector headlights into its original spot and then plugging the harnesses back in. Now that the projector headlights have been put back to its original location, we can then go ahead and place back all the screws that we removed from earlier. Your installation is now complete. Please check all lights and signals before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you for choosing SPECD Tuning videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.